Did you know it only takes 2 thumbs to change a life? It's called power texting, an innovative way to use technology to mentor youth through their cell phones, and it's transforming communities across America. It's been seen all over TV, including ABC, CNN, and more. Power texting was developed by Ronald Mitchell, the founder and CEO of the BEM Foundation. Here's how it works. We create a team of mentors from all walks of life: professionals, military, doctors, police officers, athletes, and more. Then, we use power texting to connect those mentors with at-risk youth. Kids who need to stay motivated about their education, making their dreams come true, and who need help staying out of trouble. Mentors use power texting to send motivational messages and encouragement to keep kids on track and let them know someone cares. Power texting creates a positive influence and connects role models with the most at-risk youth in our community. Sign up right now and become a part of the Power Texting Mentor Network. Just text PowerText to 25827.
Here's what we know. Kids from all across America are struggling with issues that they need support. Whether it's dealing with bullying, whether it's dealing with drugs, they have to make wiser choices. And we all know that if one bad decision can derail your dreams and change your life forever. The Power Texting Mentor Network is an innovative way to reach kids. We essentially work with corporate America, people from different walks of life, and youth, and we bring them together with text messaging. We work with professionals to send motivational, narrowly tailored text messages to kids to inspire them to live their dream, make wise decisions. It's pretty much like life coaching, but it's through text messaging.
But a new program in Alexandria is making a big difference for 15 local kids, and it's all done through text messages.
Simple text messages are making a world of difference in the lives of troubled teenagers.
How simple text messages are helping change the lives of local kids. A year ago, 14-year-old Linwood Ruffin only focused on basketball.
I was failing the test. I wasn't studying.
But when Ronald Mitchell at the BEM Foundation began sending him encouraging text messages, something changed.
Well, mine said, one step forward can change your life forever. I just got the text, and I just followed through it during school, and then I got all A's.
There's no one in your face, no one tap you on the shoulder and ask you to do things. It's just through a text message that reinforces what you should do or your dreams.
Marquise Minor says the texts have helped him stay strong.
Before I got the text, I had peer pressure and bad grades, but when I got the text, it made me say that I don't want to do that, and I want to get good grades.
Trayvon Young wasn't so sure about the program at first, but now that his grades are up and he's pursuing his dream of skateboarding professionally, he realizes what a difference it's made.
A lot of our mentors are doctors, lawyers, athletes, actors, astronauts, you name it, from different walks of life. They've been through it. They were once young kids, and they can provide a young kid with who's at risk with a roadmap, a tool in terms of what to do, what not to do, reinforce what they should be doing, and to help them stay on track and support their vision and help them eventually be successful.
Support is important because without support, you don't have anything.
To transform communities across America, it is imperative that we implement a common sense approach to problem solving. It's common sense that when we work collectively together, we're a better nation. It's common knowledge that it takes more than one voice to solve our problems. But it's not common practice. We have to work together. Let's make it happen. Let's make the impossible possible. It's important that we get it right and get it done for our children now.